Hi, I'm Troy Banks, and I work for General Materials. I'm their general manager out of Oklahoma City. This plant behind me here is a McLanahan dewatering system, making what we call a frac sand. For a lot of years, what we did here was we just went out here and we dug holes everywhere with a fleet of 5 trucks, 2 excavators, 6 end loaders, and we started looking at, well, the fleet's getting old enough, we're going to have to replace it. We can put up a plant and feed it with a dredge and stop digging all these holes. We used to have 16 people back there to feed this thing, and now we have 3 people. The McLanahan plant's working really well for us. It's just really versatile. It's very easy to go out and draw in new customers that maybe overlooked us before because we couldn't make a certain product. Well, the good thing about working with McLanahan is they recognize that myself and others out here have quite a few years of experience. We're able to communicate pretty well, and they're people that relate to my world and not just salesmen.